I love every one of you for coming out here and supporting us tonight. I love you so much. Thank you so much. It is such an honor for me. This is my 13th year as the ambassador of Cancer Patients Aid Association. It has been a beautiful journey and it gets more and more special every year. I'd like to begin by thanking all you wonderful people in the audience today that have come out, supported us, donated for the cause, and you keep donating so wholeheartedly. Thank you so much to this wonderful audience. I'd like to thank the wonderful volunteers of CPAA who work relentlessly year after year for the cause. Members of the CPAA family. She has put in so much time and so much commitment over so many years for this event. Much time and worked day and night to put this show together. Thank you so much, Shaina NC. Thank you. And a big thank you to the heartthrob Ranbir Kapoor who came out here and made it so special. He has also committed to me today that he is going to partner us, CPAA, on doing a really cool anti-smoking message. That's right. Alright, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I love you all. Stay in for the finale. And also one more thing, all the wonderful clothes tonight that you have seen, the part of the proceeds from the sales will be going to help cancer patients in the CPAA. Today is Mother's Day, so all you wonderful people out there who are looking to buy a gift for your mom and haven't already, it's a good idea. Lovely, beautiful clothes. And for me, today's Mother's Day is more special because my hero is my mom. And she always taught me to do something selfless. So all of us are doing something selfless and beautiful here tonight. What a wonderful way to celebrate Mother's Day. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And we have Terence Lewis coming on stage next.
Cause one thing which I wanted to tell, and that was that fact which Ranbir himself also doesn't know, that today he's come for the cause of Cancer Patient Aid Association. But he does not know that in 1970 onwards, till today, his grandfather, Raj Kapoor ji and Shashi Kapoor ji have been giving total support by giving premieres of all their films, including starting from Bobby onwards to us. Today we can say that Cancer Patient is on a sound foundation just because of what your grandparents have done. And I'm so happy that today you have followed the tradition of your...
Doesn't want to be photographed, has not even come up on stage. So I think the true achiever as far as the men are concerned is Mr. Parekh sitting right there. Come on, Mr. Parekh! Thank you to NSCI Club. My partner for Fevicol today is Vikram Fadnis, who is the director of the show. And there are very few superstars like that, and we deal with them every day of our life. And in conclusion, Shelja and Dave Jolly, thank you. I think that all the people in the backstage, I'm just going to take 1 minute to mention them because otherwise they all go unnoticed. We have in our team Urvashi Thakre, Mitali, Jasmine, Rakhi. We have Naseem, Fatima, Rasna, Shaida, Sunita. All of them have worked so relentlessly. My daughter Shania. And I think all the youngsters, we've got a group of young school kids who have supported and really made this show possible. My dream as a designer was always not to see shows where you have anorexic models and 400 people sitting and ogling at them. I always wanted it to be a stadium like this with 10,000 people realizing that fashion is for everyone and glamour has a purpose. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shaina. In fact, there's much to be said about that a little later during the show. Now let me ask Vikram Fadnis to say a few words, the man backstage with all the city energy. Please put it up, give your hands, put your hands together for Vikram Fadnis.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to make it short and sweet. I think what Mr. and Mrs. Sabru are doing is 45 years into healthcare, which is my complete lifetime. And I hope that each one sitting over here has not come only to get entertained with fashion, dance and music. And each one, if they can donate something and help some kid in this part of the world, would be great. Thank you for me.
Thank you, Shaina ji, and the Cancer Patients Aid Association for bestowing this honor and inviting me here tonight. My Bua, my father's elder sister, has been battling with cancer since the past few years. Hence this cause is very close to my heart. I thank the CPA for all the wonderful efforts that they've been showing in spreading awareness of cancer, the causes, the prevention and the treatment of the disease. The intention of the organization in assisting the needy with the knowledge, with cure, is really marvelous, and I think we all should give a big hand towards that. I guess so, let us all show compassion towards the cause, and I request all of you to help in any which way that you can towards this organization. Hope you have a wonderful night, and happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers here.
All right. Mummiyon ka dil aa gaya tum pe Ranbir Kapoor. All right, with that I would like to ask Mr. Y.K. Sapru, Silu Jastanwala, Rekha Sapru to please present a token of appreciation to our guests on stage.